Hello, dear friends. This is Matilda, technical expert at Radonix. Part 1. We are here to present the tutorial on installing and configuring Radonix PRO LAN series controllers. Before we begin, it is important to note that each controller comes with a CD, a connector pack, and a LAN cable, which are provided to customers. Upon opening the CD, you will see 4 files: Radonix Cam Plus, Radonix Cam Pro, Radonix Photo, Radonix Remote, Radonix Cam Plus. This is designed for Plus series controllers and includes technical information and installation files. Radonix CAM Pro. This is designed for PRO LAN series controllers and will be reviewed in detail. Radonix Photo. This is a program that allows the user to edit images in the desired way and prepare them for machining by converting them into G-code. Radonix Remote. This is a tool for remotely controlling the movement of the device. The Radonix Remote folder includes installation files and a guide for connecting the remote to the controller. For installing CamPro, go to the Radonix CamPro folder, where you will find the following 4 files: Connections, Datasheet, Interface, Software Connections file. This file contains a guide on how to connect the controller to the drive. It covers connection instructions for all available brands in the market. If you're using a brand that is not listed in the file, you can contact Radonix to receive guidance on how to connect your specific drive. For example, let's review how to connect the controller to the Delta SDAB2 drive. On the left, you can see the 15-pin connector connected to the Radonix board. The pin numbering is clearly marked. On the right, you see the 44-pin connector connected to the Delta SDAB2 drive. According to the table below, for instance, we connect pin 1 of the Radonix connector to pin 11 of the Delta SDAB2 connector. This connection provides 24-volt power to the circuit, which is explained in the description section in detail. Please note, all 15 wires must be connected to the corresponding pins as per the table provided in the PDF. When soldering the wires, ensure that the connections are clean and secure, and that there is no short circuit between the pins. Datasheet file. This file contains various information, including the controller's features, wiring methods, software installation instructions, and settings. It also explains how to calibrate the axes. It is recommended to use the CamPro Setup PDF as a guide, in addition to the instructional video, before beginning the software installation. As noted, all the details regarding installation, required programs, and how to set the IP address to make the controller online have been visually explained to ease the setup process for users. Additionally, by referring to the CamPro setting guide, the user or operator can easily understand how a specific parameter works in the software settings. In this guide, we have tried to explain all the settings in different parts of the software as comprehensively as possible. Interface file. The interface refers to the main user interface of the Radonix CAM Pro program, which the user sees on the computer screen and uses to interact with the controller. Depending on the type of device, one of the following interfaces must be installed. For example, a simple 3-axis router for a device like an XYZ router, or a simple 2-axis cutter for devices like oxyfuel, plasma, water jet cutting machines, etc., uses the XY cutter interface. Software file. This file, the most important part of the Radonix software installation, includes 3 programs. 1. Net Framework, .NET-FX 40 Client. 2. XNAFX Redis 43. Radonix CamPro. The order of installation for the Radonix software is as follows. First, .NET-FX 40 Client, then XNAFX Redis 40, and finally the latest version of CamPro. Go into the .NET-FX 40 Client folder and run the installer file. The preparation for installation will begin. At this point, a message may appear stating that this version or a newer version is already installed. in which case the Continue option will be disabled. If the software is not installed, the Continue option will be active, and the installation will proceed smoothly. After installing .NET Framework, go into the XNAFX-REDIS40 folder, run the installer file, and click Next. Accept the terms and click Next again. After this, click Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Finally, click Finish to complete the installation. After the XNA program is installed, open the last installer file for Radonix CAM Pro, select Next, and in the Browse section, you can choose the installation file location. Then, click Next, grant permission for installation, and press Next. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Now the Radonix software is fully installed. After installing all the mentioned software, go to the Start menu in Windows, select the Radonix folder under All Programs, and you will find 3 software programs. 1. Radonix CAM Pro Calibrator. 2. Radonix CAM Pro Test 3. Radonix CAM Pro. The green icon for Radonix CAM Pro Calibrator is used for axis calibration. The red icon for Radonix CAM Pro Test is used to test the controller. The gray icon for Radonix CAM Pro is the main Radonix software. Move these installed programs to your desktop, then open the main software, Radonix CAM Pro. You will encounter a message saying Active Machine Not Found. The reason for this error is the absence of the interface corresponding to the machine. After this error appears, go to the Interface folder and install the interface suitable for your device. For example, here we install the XYZ Router TC interface, which is for a 3-axis router with automatic tool changing. Select Yes, then select Yes again, and finally click OK. Now you can open the software and view the interface. We have now reached the end of Part 1 of the tutorial on installing and configuring Radonix PRO LAN series controllers. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, the valued industrialists. The Radonix team is committed to providing better services and improving the quality of our products.